Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. This is lesson 3 of our mini grammar lesson series, and today we'll be learning about the present continuous tense. The present continuous is really useful. It helps you talk about what's happening right now, around now, and even future plans. Let's get started. So, when do we use the present continuous? There are three main situations where we'll use it. The most common is for actions that are happening right now, things that are happening at the exact moment of speaking. Like, I'm studying English right now. You're doing it right this second. The present continuous is also used for temporary actions, something happening around now, but not permanently. Like, she's working from home this week. She doesn't always work from home, just this week. And we can use the present continuous for future plans, for fixed arrangements, or things you've already planned. I'm meeting my friends later. The plan's already made. So remember, the present continuous can describe the present moment, temporary situations, and future arrangements. Now let's look at the structure of the present continuous. It has a pretty simple pattern. For the affirmative, it's subject plus am, is, or are plus verbing. I am reading. Pretty easy. Negative is subject plus am, is, or are plus not plus verb ing. She is not studying. And to make the question, we just use am, is, or are plus the subject plus verb and ing. So, are you working? We usually use this tense with action verbs or verbs that describe activities like play, study, go, eat, or watch. And we don't use stative verbs like know, believe, love, or understand in the continuous form. So we don't say, I am knowing. We just say, I know. So let's look at some common time expressions that we use with the present continuous. We often use now, at the moment, right now, today, this week, this month. When we see words like this, we know we can probably use to be plus the verb ing in the present continuous. Let's look at this sentence. I am studying English. Is the studying happening now? Yeah, it's happening at the moment. Is the action finished or is it still happening? It's still happening. Am studying, still happening. Is it permanent or temporary? It's temporary. You won't study forever. So, present continuous is for actions that are happening now or around now and are usually temporary. All right, let's get some practice. Go ahead and complete these sentences with the present continuous. The first one's done for you. Pause the video while you work. And here are the answers. Now let's try to organize these words to make correct present continuous sentences. You'll need to add the verb to be. Again, the first one's done as an example for you. Pause the video. Let's check your answers. How many did you get right? Now it's your turn. Let's use the present continuous to talk about your life. Try answering these questions. You can say them out loud or leave your answers in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on the present continuous. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.